Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers kan Anjilaga main headlines. GPRN NSCN Naga Crime Control Cell pra sex trafficking racket dhurikina duita local maki ke bajaikina ekta non-local mota ke arrest korishi. Ekta dangor drug operation te Tripura Sepahi Jala district te security forces pra 19 lakh premature ganja drugs saga plantation biya korishi. Security forces pra Manipur laga alag-alag locations te pra hatyar aru explosive bishi recover korishi. Second Khelo India Beach Games to aji pra loikna Ghokla Beach duty shuru hoishi. GPRN NSCN Naga Crime Control Cell pra Dimapur te December 29 tarik din sex trafficking racket dhurikina duita local maki ke bachaikna ekta non-local mota ke arrest korishi. GPRN NSCN Ministry of Kilo Home Affairs Camp ke hoi laga hisabte Operation Itito Information pa opor act kura laga ase koishi arrest wa accused ke Assam 12 gram laga Fazul Haq koikina identify korishi kun currently Dimapur te thaki ase koishi taito sex trafficking manukhan ke lokaikina victims ke sexually exploit kuri thakishi koikina junadishi accused ke sawal kura time tai 7th mile chumukite mate thaka Mohit Udin logote milikina racket itu chola admit kurishi investigators be auto taxi registration number NL07T0770 thakikina paishi junto to trafficking laga kamte cholaishi koishi aru itu to Singri jante thaka babul laga ase koikina junadishi MIP state krishi ke accused logote close thaka ekjon Dimapur police logote complaint file kurato revenge loikina police ke case to bhalpra investigate kurubo nadibo nimite thakishi koishi tai junaishi ki maki khan ke rescue kura aru accused ke arrest kura laga actions kan sopto procedure cholakina evidence based ase koikina state krishi MIP warn korishi ki traffickers ke bachaikina ulta information spread kura khan ke GPRN NSCN laga aza under strictly action lubo koishi GPRN NSCN bi aru bi ekbar human trafficking junto ase manu khan ke illegally durikina bikri kura aru exploit kura khan khotom kuribo opor taikhan laga commitment junai dikina state korishi ki age laga reports hisab te bi eneka records chola bishi ola non locals thake aru victim khanto local maki especially minors kan thake koikna junadishi ekta dangor drug operation te Tripura Sepahi Jala district te security forces pra 19 lakh premature ganja drugs laga plantation biya korishi junto to worth rupees 100 crore hubo koikna junadishi operation to north and south Kalam Chora Anandapur aru Ghatigar areas laga 650 acres jungle area te loa laga ase drive it to state illegal cannabis kheti kura against ekdin te sobse dangor action loa laga ase junto to Tripura Police, BSF or Tripura State Rifles milikina loishi. Choiso nishna personal operation itute involved takishi junto to specific intelligence input opor best korikina loa laga ase. Additional Superintendent of Police Rajiv Sutradhar junashi ki takhan bitor jungle area se ganja cultivation duribo nimite drones bishi cholaikina jai se koishi tai junashi ki aro ahadin tenika operations loikina jabo. Sonamura Police Station Officer in Charge Tapan Das junashi ki encroached jungle area te local residents kan ganja plantation kurate involve ase hoile bi ityata kun ki bi arrest kurane koikna state krishi police source junashi ki enika plantation te ganja produce kurato Bihar aru Uttar Pradesh nishna states te smuggle kure koishi kote saman to damula kurekina bikai koikna junadishi Security forces pra Manipur laga alag-alag locations se January 2 tarik aru 4 tarik majute hatyar aru explosive bishi recover korishi Jarkali hatyar recover kurate SLRs pistol grenades IEDs ammunition aru camping equipment yaripok top ning toy nai lighting under Andro police station Imphal East district te pra recover korishi January 3 tarik din Langchi Manbi Chingpai village under Hengla police station Churachandpur district te दूसरा recovery kurishi kote 100 kg explosive thakikina rocket sniper rifle country made banduk pistols ammunition aru IED seize kurishi itu same dinte pistol HE mortar bombs grenades ammunition wireless sets or protective gear nishna hatyar Kangaching Taloy under Lamlai Police Station Imphal East Tepra recover krishi. January 2 tarik din security forces kan duita medium sized rockets junto 40 kg each thakishi. Ito logote country made double or single barrel banduk Sejang Busti under Hanglep Police Station Churachandpur district Tepra recover krishi. International news से American forces पर Venezuelan president Nicolas Maduro के एक military operation junto te large scale strike thakishi to te seize krapichte US President Donald Trump pra Mexico, Cuba और Colombia के US action lobule pare ko ekna warn krishi. Trump janashi ki US itu jagate narco terrorism hobule para opor concern janai dikhna military ke tate pothabole tayar ase koishe. Trump pra Cuba to bhangi taka ekta country ase ko ekna President Gustavo Petro under Colombia drugs laga factories chola accused kurishi aru claim kurishi ki Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum drug cartels control korble na pare ko ekna junadishi. Tai junashi ki US pra drug cartels kan against action lubo ko ekna offer krato Mexico pra reject kurishi koishi. US laga operation into Mexico, Cuba aru Colombia pra strongly condemn korikna warn kurishi ki tu pra takhan naga regional stability opor threat hoy ko ekna junadishi. Mexico pra region itu to peaceful jaga ase ko ekna Colombia pra US international law bhanga accused kurishi aru Cuban President Miguel Diaz-Canel pra attack itu to criminal ase ko ekna junadishi. Sports news te second Khelo India Beach Games to aji pra loikna Ghokla Beach duote shuru hoishi kote 2000 opor athletes kan 8 alak alak pani laga osor games te participate kuri ase. Even into the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli or Daman and Diu pra organized krishi. Games to January 2 tarik tak cholekna jabo kote Sports Authority of India and National Sports Federation naga under technical supervision dikna jaisi. Attate choita to medal sports ubo juntu kanase beach soccer, beach volleyball, beach sepak takraw, beach kabaddi, panchak silat और open water swimming hobo और दूसरा दुईटा तो non medal event Malakam और tack of war hobole ase. Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Dr. Mansukh Mandavia janaishi ki even itu to Prime Minister Modi youth khan ke healthy citizens banabole vision thaka to hosak rubonimite loikna jaise ko aikna janadishi.